Hello gorgeous. So it's almost summertime, it's springtime. Even though we're having a lot of rains in Houston, summer is coming pretty soon. This is April, next month is gonna be May, and we know how hot it gets in Houston. But anyways, I'm going to be unboxing some slippers that I bought from SHEIN. Every time when it gets warm, I love to wear slippers. I wear a lot of slippers. I'm even wearing one now. Flat slippers, because they keep me, you know, they're comfortable and it's easier to move around in, especially as a mom of three. I like to put these on because, you know, I have to do school runs, I have to run up and do many things, take them to swimming, to dance, to various activities. So these slippers just keep me going and they're comfortable. Yeah, with that being said, I ordered from SHEIN, and let's unbox it together. This is the first pair. This is the white one, very lightweight, just like the one that I'm wearing. The one that I'm wearing started getting old and having stains, so I just decided I needed another one. So this is another comfortable pair that I'm going to be wearing a lot this summer. Yeah, it does feel good. It's very lightweight. I can wear this to the beach, to the store, you know, anywhere. It looks amazing, just exactly the way that I love it, very comfortable. Wow, not bad at all. Very shiny. I think I'm gonna be wearing this one a lot. I love the way it looks. It's lightweight and it's actually very comfortable, so I know I'm gonna be wearing it a lot as well. Oh, this one is silver. I don't remember ordering this, but it does look nice. These silver slippers, they are so beautiful, they're lightweight. I see myself wearing these every day, like with jeans, even summer dresses. This will really work. I love it. Oh, this one is so cute. Oh my God. This is so cute. Look at that. Amazing. I love it. These slippers are very comfortable and I just love the way it looks. It will go with everything. I love the little bow in the front of it. It is just too cute. Look at the details, so beautiful. I see myself wearing this one almost every day. Now I've said that about everyone. I'm gonna wear them almost every day. Which ones? I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, this is really cute. It will go with anything, a dress, jeans, pants, shorts. This is amazing. I'm glad I ordered this. Up next, this one is gold. The gold detail is so beautiful and it's lightweight, same as the silver one, just gold instead. Beautiful, I love it. And it actually goes with my skin tone. I love this gold. Y'all see? It really does. So beautiful. Another white one. See, during the summer months, I love white slippers because they really go with a lot of outfits. You know, it's easy to wear during the summer. And I love to have many of them because I wear a lot of summer dresses and summer is just the perfect time to wear white. And the white also bounces off the blue jeans that I wear because I do wear a lot of stretch jeggings, blue jeans during the summer months, so the white bounces off of that and it does look amazing. These white slippers, they have this foam feel in the top. Look at that. I love the way it feels, like a memory foam type of feel. Very bouncy, very nice. I love these. The white slippers are very comfortable, so great choice. I have a lot of white slippers for summer now and I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna enjoy wearing all of them because during the summer months, really all I wear is just slippers, like constantly. So I love to have comfortable slippers, memory foam, things that just keep me looking good, not overdressed, but comfortable. Comfort is very important to me. Another pair of white slippers, but I remember why I bought these ones, because these ones have black on the sole around it. So I bought them because the black is gonna bounce off the white, which like most times, you know, like if I go to the beach or somewhere, sometimes when there's a lot of sand, the all white can get all messed up, but this one that has the black is still going to look good because of course the white bounces off the black. So yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it does feel comfortable and it's really beautiful. Amazing. Lovely. Definitely a keeper. Now, why did I buy all these slippers? Yeah, don't mind me. I do wear a lot of slippers. Like, I really do. That's all I wear. You know, as a mom, keeping up with my kids, I need to be comfortable. Comfort is important because I take my son to soccer, take my daughter to dance, take them to swimming. So slippers are a big part of my life. This one is another gold one. Ooh, I love this one. I love the inside of it. This is gonna be very comfortable. With these slippers, there's something I noticed. I'm gonna need to buy, you know, the sticky soles, because it kind of is slippery against the floor, and I never ever take chances whenever a shoe or slippers feels slippery, because you never know. So this against my wood floor feels slippery, and I can imagine it'll probably be slippery against tile as well. So I'm gonna need to buy that little sole sticky thing by Dr. Scholl's and put it on here before I can wear this. But all in all, it's comfortable, it's beautiful. This is another lovely pair. I'm definitely keeping it. So that's another one. The last two are actually white slippers as well. Oh, this is the white version of the gold and silver one that I just tried on. Let's try it on. This is definitely a lovely pair. It does feel amazing, looks amazing. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot this summer. Very beautiful, great choice. Now for the grand finale, the last one. This one, it has a bow like the other one, and of course it's beautiful. I love it. The bow in the front is amazing. This is so beautiful. Beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Definitely going to be wearing this a lot in the summertime. I love the slippers with the bow. So beautiful. Let's try this one on. So that's it for my slippers unboxing. They all look amazing, and I think I picked great choices. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, which one that you think is the awesome one or is the best out of them. I'm gonna try to put the item numbers from SHEIN for anyone who wants to buy the same slippers. For me, I wear a size 9.5, 10. Yeah, I got kind of big feet. So yeah, I wear a 9.5 and 10, 9.5 or 10, depending on how the shoe runs, because some companies make their shoes run small and some their shoes run big. So me with my big feet, 9.5 and 10, I always try out the 9.5 and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I go ahead and buy the 10. But yeah, these are so cute, and I'm really going to have a blast enjoying the slippers in the summertime. All right, if you're new here, like, subscribe, do the things you know that you gotta do. We're happy gorgeous people here. We're always sharing happy gorgeous things on this vlog. And follow me. I am on TikTok, Happy Gorgeous Life, Facebook, Happy Gorgeous Lifestyle, and Instagram, I am Happy Gorgeous Ada. Remember, stay happy, stay gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Bye.